tip-off goes to Denver. Oh, and he's going up for the alley-oop here. The shot misses. Denver on D. They set the pick. Knocked away. Just 5 to shoot. Back to Conley. This one for 3. Shot is off. Left side, Gordon.
0.
First trip to the free throw line for him in this one. That free throw, no good. He hits the second from the line. Denver on D. Again, Doris Burke spoke with Mike Malone. Doris. Here's the screen. Warren. Towns. And that one's good. And just over a minute played here in the start of the game. Fires the 3. Can't hit the putback. Right side, Conley. From past the arc. Offensive rebound. Buries the 7-footer.
He got a great read of where that miss was going, and that allowed him to be the first guy to it and get the putback.
And that one is hammered home. The first quarter of action, 2 minutes in. And airballs the triple. That one was way off. Pass to Porter. He lobs up the alley-oop pass. Conley with it. Leads him in there. Warren, the layup off target. Here's Gordon. And that one's good.
That's just run-of-the-mill for him. A typical day at the office. He's one of the more skilled offensive players out there.
Now here's Conley. Warren. Rebound by the Nuggets. Here's Caldwell Pope. Lets the 3 fly, and that one's good. He has 5.
I like the offensive awareness to exploit that lack of coverage on that play.
They really want to find that igniter here.
Yeah, that's right. Kevin, the offense has basically been running in place.
They got to get going. And the Nuggets making a change here. Here's Conley, and it's blocked. And so it looks like the Timberwolves will retain possession here. Here's Gobert. Up and in from the low block. Now here's Jackson. Now Porter. Murray. And he lobs it up toward the rim. And it's out of bounds. The Nuggets able to retain possession here. Off the inbound pass. The rebound by Anderson.
Boy, they're fortunate. The defense was taking a big chance leaving him that wide open behind the arc.
Zero. 6 on the shot clock. The three-pointer off the mark. Left side, Gordon.
That's his first person. 0.
The Timberwolves making a switch here. This is his 3rd free throw attempt of the game. On the free throw, no good. And that does it for the first quarter. The Nuggets on top. And the first quarter is in the books. Second about ready to get underway. What do you guys think about the Nuggets out here in this one? The Timberwolves trail. Pass to Brown. And you can count it. He'll go to the line with a chance to make it 3. And he'll be shooting his first free throw of the game here. And here's Gordon. Porter with it. Outside Gordon. No luck.
Tell you what, guys, his size really comes into play when there's a rebound battle going on. He's got an advantage in there.
Brown outside. Pass to Anderson. Back to Brown. Hits the three-point bomb. He has 5. Second quarter of basketball, about 1 minute played so far. Jokic, and foul called as he misses. He'll go to the line and shoot 2. This is his first free throw of the game. Both shots good from the stripe. Here's Conley. He hasn't scored yet. That, I'm sure, will change. They set the pick. They get a hand on it. Anderson inside, and Anderson gets it to go. The Nuggets trail. Pass to Porter. Right through the knee for the layup. And we're a little over a minute and a half into the second quarter of action. Now Conley. Towns. Smooth as silk on the finger roll.
That finish brings me back to the old days, the silky smooth finger roll.
Jokic, and he goes up strong with one hand and flushes it down. The Timberwolves making a switch here. On the night, he's gone 2 for 2 at the stripe.
Shooting 100% in the quarter. They've made them all, taking full advantage at the line.
Now here's Noel.
And here's another thing I've noticed. You know, sometimes at the defensive end, he'll come out of nowhere to make a play on the ball, blocking a shot from behind when the shooter had no idea he was there.
He's off on the second. Now here's Gordon. He's got 5. Pass to Porter. Makes a big high bounce and goes in. And a little under 2.5 minutes gone by here in the second quarter. Brown outside. Anderson with the ball. Back to Brown. Outside Conley. Shot clock at 5. Shoots from the line. The Timberwolves again can't hit. And the whistle blows. It's going to be on Michael Conley. That'll be his second foul of the game. The Timberwolves making a switch here. Here's Conley. He hasn't yet put up any points in this one. Pass to Anderson. Morris. Now here's Conley. Just 5 on the clock. Poked away. Out in his own on the break. For the finish. Trips down the breakaway slam. Here in the second quarter, just under 3.5 minutes played. Pass to Anderson. Here's Morris. Here's Morris. Back to Anderson. Conley left side. 6 to shoot. From 11 feet away. It's hauled in by the Nuggets. Here's Caldwell Pope. Murray. Gets it off. And that's not going to go. And so we wrap up the first half. Nuggets ahead